Everyone, do you have this problem? This is a Porsche Boxster, and this is the illuminated visor, and the cover's broken off. So what to do? Here, let me show you what I did to the passenger. Okay, here's the passenger side. I took it off. The electrical point's on this one with a small Phillips screw, and then there's two Torx screws holding this side. But here it is. Here's the repair, and here's the cover. So what did I do? And that works fine. So what I did was I bought this a genuine Porsche part. Oops, upside down. There you go. And let me show you what it is on the inside. I saw these on the ECS Tuning website. They're out of Ohio, and they were really cheap, and they were the illuminated cover. And really, since all I needed was a cover, I figured I'd take a chance. I put the model in here, and they said these would not fit, but as you can tell, once I made the adjustment, they fit fine. So what we're gonna have to do is we have to remove this lid. And if you notice that on the back side of the lid, the way it works, you know, it has the part that actually will push down on the switch for the light. So you know this cover should work fine, but there's no lighting on this one. So we need to remove it from this assembly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little blade here and cut this connector off so I can remove this cover without damaging it. Let's try that. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take a blade, get a sharp blade. It shouldn't really matter which side you cut off, but I'm going to just cut off this side and just work my blade down without damaging the actual cover. Just cut off that little, right like that, and then that should just come right out. And then the part that's in there, the plastic, you should be able to work it out with a little small pry tool, and that's what I'm going to do right now. Alright, we're back in the car. What you'll notice is that on this piece, these little tensioners are a little bit tighter, so I'm going to take a little screwdriver and push the tensioners down just a little bit. Just like that. And so they don't move a lot, okay? But you'll find that it seems like it's a little tight. So what I'm going to do is just going to move it down just a little bit. Okay? So a little less tension on it. Just not a lot, okay? And then I'm going to take my cover. I'm going to slide into one side. Work it out. Slide into one side. Okay? I need two hands for this, I guess. I hope you can see it, what I'm doing here. Alright, I'm going to slide into one side. And then I'm going to work this side in just ever so slightly. And there you go. And then work it back. And there you go. It works, okay? And watch. The light comes on, huh? You see the light come on? There you go. So that works. Alright, so that's, as they call it, fixed. Good luck.